Mataas na Lupa
12
versus
seconds to
Pulo,
shoot.
18 to 30.
Luis again. Pass to Alpos. 5 seconds to shoot. Alpos fires. No good. Rebound by Peñalba. Peñalba. Baradas. Outlet pass. Masungsong fakes. Up the glass for 2. 18 on the shot clock. Peñalba.
Hirap dito, di kita score.
Almost a steal. Recovers the ball. Alpos is there. Baradas now. Baradas lays it up. No
Game
good.
Sala.
Peñalba. Too strong. Rebound by Pamaniban. 10 seconds to shoot. Peñalba fires. Too strong again. Another offensive rebound. Lives it to Mercado. 2 for 2. Ruiz with the basketball. Gives it to Baradas. Top the corner. Ruiz again. 14 to shoot. Masungsong fires. Gonzalez is there. Put back is good. 6-2. 4-point lead. Mataas na Lupa. Mercado. Pull-up jumper. Too strong. Gonzalez. Gives it to Masungsong. All the way to the hole.
Dapat na-notice na nila agad yun na laging
18 on the shot clock. Peñalba. Kicks out.
nagpapas.
Jane. Too strong. Masungsong. Gives it to Ruiz. Too strong. Jane has it. Pass to Mercado. No good. Peñalba gets it to Jane. Gets it to Pamaniban. Fade away shot. Too strong. Fighting for rebound. Gonzalez has it.
Steal. Hindi ko alam ang score.
Pamaniban. 2 points. Peñalba. In and out. Behind the back. None of pass. Jane gives it to Pamaniban again. Same spot. Same result.
8-6.
Gonzalez.
Ano lamang?
Good pass.
Yun lang.
Offensive rebound by Alpos. Using the shot. Alpos misses first throw.
Score 9-6 lamang Mataas na Lupa. 3.
Baka takes 3. Short. Alpos gives it to Masungsong.
Op.
Here comes Jason.
Parang aanim lang ang player ng Mataas na Lupa.
Kick out pass. Baradas. Gives it to Masungsong. Gives it back to Baradas. Using the shot. Offensive rebound. Missing again. Baradas misses first throw.
Nanginginig ang kamay.
Baradas misses.
Score 10-6 lamang ang Mataas na Lupa.
Peñalba gives it to Jane. Peñalba fakes. Gives it to Pangan. Perimeter shot. Is good. Or Majul naman.
8-10.
Masungsong gives it to Baradas. 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Parang ang bilis ang laro.
Masungsong gives it to Alpos. At the corner. Favorite spot. Steal by Baradas.
12-8.
All pass. Steal by Pangan. Gives it to Peñalba. Hangs in the air. Up the glass. Baradas gets the ball. Gives it to
Score
Masungsong.
10-12.
Loses it. Good tap. Side step. Boom.
Oh!
By Jason Masungsong.
Nice! 10-14.
Here comes Peñalba. 14 on the shot clock. Pamaniban loses the ball. Recovers it. 2 for 2.
Na-shoot naman.
Great court vision for Peñalba.
12-14.
Ruiz gives it to Gonzalez. Alpos. Ruiz gives it to Masungsong. Great ball movement. Easy 2 points for
16. 12 lamang ang mataas na lupa.
16 on the shot clock. There's a whistle. A reaching foul call on jersey number 10. Dean.
Nice
Is
pass.
communication. Turnover for Pulo. Gonzalez to Ruiz. Return violation. Peñalba gives it to Pangan. 16 on the shot clock. Jane takes 3.
Bang!
Jane
15-16.
Baradas. The lead is now by 1. Gonzalez at the baseline. Last for 2 for JB. 18-15.
15-18 lamang ang mataas na lupa. 3.
Jake fires again. Not this time around. Gonzalez gives it to Masungsong.
Not this
Out
time
and
around.
pass. Loses the ball. Out of bounds. Peñalba denying the screen. Gives it to Jane. Wide open 3. Air ball.
No.
Cortez is there. No good. We will get the rebound.
Foul.
There's a whistle. The ball. Peñalba crosses over. 5 seconds to shoot.
Tira na.
Jane fires again. At the tip of the ring. Cortez too strong. Rebound to the post. Oscar Ruiz. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Gonzalez
Sayang. Outside.
out of bounds. There's
Napul
a whistle. Reaching Alba. Bates. Jane has it. Gives it to Peñalba. Hesitation. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Pangan. Too strong. Rebound by Baralas.
Puro sila 3 point.
Gives it to Gonzalez. Gonzalez no look pass. Push it down back on jersey number. Gonzalez air ball. Here comes Pangan. Peñalba. Gives it to Jane. Too strong. Batting for rebound. Gonzalez again.
Hey, nice
Steal.
steal.
Villanueva. Pass to Pangan.
Shoot.
Too strong.
Ha.
Pangan again. Villanueva. Pass to Cortez. Number 2. Quarter. Masungsong has it.
18-17. Lamang ng isa ang
He's
mataas na
been
lupa.
waiting for his teammate. Calling for a screen. Pass to Baradas. No good.
Sayang.
15 seconds left. 10 seconds. 5.
Sayang. Kalakas pa ng pasa.
Peñalba gives it to Mercado.
Second quarter, 18-17. Lamang ng isa, mataas na lupa.
Still by Masungsong. Laksamana all alone. Lazy rapper 2 for Laksamana.
Oo, anim lang ang player ng mataas na lupa.
Still again by Alpos.
Oops!
Hangs in the air. Laksamana is there.
Ay!
Put that no good.
Sayang.
But there's a foul. A loose ball. Masungsong gives it to Alpos. He got pass to Baradas. Great location.
Nice
Off the
pass.
glass for Alvin. Peñalba
20-17.
creating some space. He got pass Mercado. 10 to shoot. Still by Baradas. Here comes Baradas at the both base. Hands in the air. Raise it up. This is the shot. Two shots for Baradas. Advanced substitution.
Oo, di nga sila nananalo.
In and out. Misses them both. 22-17.
Score 22-17. Lamang ang mataas na
Defense
lupa.
by Laksamana. Good screen by Tan. Paradas outlet pass.
Ay, lakas.
Song. With a superhuman save.
Lakas pass.
Behind the back again. One person. Gives it to Pangan. Wide open three.
Puro sila 3 points.
Lead away shot by Samambayan.
Ah.
Put back, no good.
Sayang.
Here comes Masunsong. No look pass. Good ball.
Nice.
Panganiban. Easy 2 points. Their time. There's 16
Score
seconds to the shot clock.
22-19 na mga mataas
Gives
na
it to
lupa.
Alpos. Another steal for Barangay Rio. Panganiban gives it to Peñalba.
Akala ko inaagaw pa eh.
Rebound by Gonzalez. Laksamana to Baratas. 3 against 1. Baratas gives it to Alpos. All alone for 2. Pangan with the ball. 16 on the shot clock. Taking the pass. Villanueva lays it out for 2.
Kahit malayo eh, kadami nanonood. Samantala mataas na
Gonzalez
lupa.
now.
Lapit lang eh.
Baratas fires. Joshua Baratas. Peñalba. Out of 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Masonsong. Gives it to Alpos. Rebound by Panganiban. Jane. Cross-court pass to Pangan. Pangan, locked by Gonzalez. Good tap by Laksamana, still by Masonsong. Gives it back to Laksamana, lays it up for 2. Now it's up by 8 points.
29-21 score. Ay,
Jane
lamang ang
gives it to
mataas na lupa.
Sambayan. Jane again, 12 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock.
Tunulak eh, kita ko.
Steal by Gonzalez. Another. Setting out the play for Pulo. Here comes Mercado. Gives it back to Jane.
29-21 no?
Steal again for Mataas na Lupa. Masungsong now. Top board for Jane.
31-21, 10.
Mercado. Gives it to Cortez. Olbo. Gonzalo Villarreal. Pass to Alpos. Ruiz now. Missing again. Cortez has it. Here comes Panganiban. 16 on the shot clock. Mercado. Jane with the basketball. 10 on the shot clock. Another steal for Masungsong. Masungsong screens. Here comes Jane. Pass to Peñalba. Reach out coming from Peñalba. 32-23. Gives it to Gonzalez. 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bilis.
Gonzalez pass to Baratas. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Peñalba. Peñalba hesitate move.
Di pa rin
No
siya
good.
good.
Here comes Gonzalez. Masungsong. They're troubling Kaba. 18 on the shot clock. Sambayan. Very good. But Panganiban. Baratas. Comes in the air. In and out. Rebound again by Panganiban.
Lumabas. Ganda na sana eh.
Peñalba. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Gives it to Peñalba. Peñalba spins. In and out. Gives it to Gene. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Almost a steal, but the ball went out of bounds. 7. Cortez. Pass to Pangaliba. There's the foul.
Tugo shots, tugo shots.
Looking for an open man. Sees Ruiz. 2 for 2 for Ruiz. Exactly 3 minutes for our first half. 34-26, 8-point lead. Ito na game mataas na lupa.
Ano daw?
2 for
34-26.
2.
34-28.
Recovery after a block.
Lamang
2
mataas
points
na
for
lupa.
Peñalba. 16 on the shot clock. Gonzalez counts this off. Using the screen of Cortez. Pull up jumper, Peñalba. Too strong. Gonzalez with the rebound. Outlet pass again. Ruiz. Reaches at the meter. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 38-28. King, pick up pass. Pangan takes 3. Rebound again by Gonzalez.
Oops!
Gonzalez gives it to Baradas. Good pass. Left-handed layup for Warren Post. 43-28 yung Horn lead. Here comes Pangan. Rotate.
Uy!
Lead contact. Gonzalez again with the rebound.
Bilis ha.
Separation. Cortez gets the rebound. Gives it to Pangaliban. In and out. Tip in. No good. Another rebound for Gonzalez. Baradas gives it back to Ruiz. Laksamana is there. Alpos, offensive pass na lupa. Baradas, wide open 3. Good. Peñalba using their time, setting up the play for Pulo. Gives it to Jane, fires. In and out, batting for rebound. Pangaliban, for 5 seconds. 18 on the shot clock. Gonzalez finds Alpros, but loses the ball. 10-point lead, barangay mataas na lupa. 18 on the shot clock. Peñalba, calling for the screen. 14 to shoot. Peñalba. Steal by Gonzalez. Gives it to Laksamana. Too strong.
Sino ba yung
And another 2
30?
free throw.
Tatlo na agad!
Peñalba missed the technical free throw. 2 more shots for jersey number 28. Analyzing a penalty situation.
Ba't ganon?
Too strong.
Mga tira. Salaman ng pinaso.
2 free throw miss.
Ano yung tatlo na agad foul ng number 30?
19.6 seconds.
Sabi? Wala mo lang siya
Gonzalez
doon
with the
kahit
rebound.
isa.
Shot clock is off.
Kaya
15 at the game clock. There's a whistle. And
Banggang-bangga
foul call,
ba
jersey number
naman?
3, Jane. Left in our first half.
Ay, sorry.
This is second for Alphonse. 8 seconds left.
8 seconds.
5. Jane Tyers. Too
Hindi
strong.
na nakasat ang pulo.
Baradas gets the rebound.
Third quarter na.
Gives it to Alpos. Ruiz at the perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Cortez. Pass to Peñalba. Peñalba using the screen of Cortez. Pangaliban. Bumping up. No good. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Miscommunication for MNL.
Still.
Ruiz still gets it to Masumsong. Lays it up for two for Jason Masumsong.
Butain pa eh.
Peñalba.
Anong sunod dito?
Jane takes three. Short. Pangaliban is third. Offensive rebound. 2 points.
Magaling ata yung Buna. Yung kay Quitres ata, isa lang panalo.
Gonzalez, kick out pass. Masumsong takes. Drives at the baseline. Leaves it to Warren. Blocked by Villanueva. Gonzalez. No good. Rebound by Cortez.
Meron, hindi spicy. Ganun lang yan.
Villanueva lays it out for two.
Ay, sorry.
The lead now is down to a single digit. 43-34. 9-point lead. Barangay Mataas na Lupa.
43-34.
Third quarter.
43-34.
Baranas. Cross-court pass sa Masumsong. Takes
43-34
three.
lamang ang
At the table
taas na
training.
pa.
Peñalba natin. Villanueva miss. Gonzalez, kick out pass. Baranas, just it throw. Same ball. Alpos at the baseline. Gives it to Gonzalez. Creating some space. And up. Bonaleos cross. Peñalba. Using the screen of Cortez. Sidestep move. Throws up in the air. There's a rebound again for Gonzalez. Peñalba. Ruiz with a steal, gets it to Jason. Lays it up again for two.
Ba yan? Hindi na makastang po.
Out of bounds. Yan. Gonzalez receives the ball. Bumping off. Lifts it to Baradas. Takes three. Joshua Baradas. Three. Jane. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva answers back. Villanueva. Three. 50-37, 13-point lead of MNL. Gonzalez setting up the play, gets it to Masumsong. Cross-court pass, Baradas now. Gives it to Ruiz, 5 seconds to shoot. But there's a whistle, a pushing foul call on jersey number 2. Gonzalez lays it up for two for JP Gonzalez. James hits the ball. Peñalba beats. In and out.
Labas na.
Peñalba. Peñalba makes the second. Gonzalez. Calling for a swing, gives it to Ruiz. Taking three. Air ball. Out of bounds. Jane gives it to Peñalba. Bumping up the glass, short. Rebound by Alpos. Gives it to Gonzalez. Gonzalez now at the boat race. All the way to the hole for Gonzalez. 54-38. Coast to coast from Gonzales.
Di na malana. Score.
Peñalba.
Dilipat ba naman din?
Man sees Panganiban. Look how high Panganiban to get that ball. Super 2 for Panganiban.
Grabe naman mamangga.
Joshua Marada, 3.
Pangatlo niya na yun.
Marada with the steal. Gets it to Laksamana. Lets it to Ruiz. Gets it back to Laksamana. Off the glass for 2. 19-point lead. Mataas na lupa.
19 ang labang. Eh, di tama nga yung 50 plus yung score ng
Kick out pass, Cortez. Behind the back, crossover move, up step. Left-handed shot, no good. Offensive rebound again by Panganiban. In and out.
Bayan, di makashoot.
Cortez, number 2.
Bagbe.
15 on the shot clock. Alpos at the corner. Ace grabs on the baseline. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound Peñalba. 2 against 2. Peñalba.
Aha.
A trouble. Gets it to Laksamana. Kick out pass. Masusok fakes. Drives, hands in there. Off the glass. Jason Masusok. Game. Recovers the ball.
Baka
And
sila lang
shoot.
naman ng ano eh.
Villanueva at the corner. Villanueva. A 3-point shot coming from Villanueva to cut the lead by 16. Gonzales. Good pass.
Nice pass.
2 points for Laksamana. Outlet pass again.
Bayan?
25 seconds. Cortez. Good pass. Bang. 2.
Score 63-7. Lamang ang matas na lupa.
Gives it to Jason Sazon.
Ehe.
Another pass, Laksamana to Bananas at the corner. Too strong, rebound by Panganiban. Here comes Panganiban.
Ay, didn't
Loses the
see it.
basketball, steal by Gonzales. Gonzales bumping off the glass, batting for rebound. Who will have it? But there's a whistle. A held ball. Kuma will go.
Klasiko. Diyan sa gilid lang. Dito.
16 on the shot clock.
Sana Nicole.
Bahan. Gives it to Villanueva. Villanueva step back jumper. No good. Cortez. Offensive rebound. Super 2. Step.
62-49.
Gonzales.
Taas na lupa.
Gonzales. Almost a steal, but Laksamana recovers the ball. Gives it to Luis. It's a traveling violation. Cortez. Gives it to Villanueva. Pangan takes 3. Adieu, Pangan. 63-52.
63-52.
14 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot.
Habol, habol.
Luis gives it back to Masumsong. 10
Para
on the
naman
shot
may
clock.
thrill ang laro.
At the middle, Laksamana, Super 2. 15 on the game clock. 10 seconds left. Shot clock is off.
No-steal pa.
3 seconds.
Fourth quarter, 67-52 lamang ang mataas na
On the
lupa.
first screen, using the screen of Laksamana. But there's
Ano
a
yun?
whistle, an offensive foul. Bangan taking 3.
Wow!
67-55, a 3-pointer shot.
Hahabol ba ang pulo? Oo.
Masunsok na. Pass to Gonzales, answers back. No good. No good. Panganiban.
Nice! Ah!
Misses the shot.
Bayan!
Here comes Masunsok. Sidestep move, gives it to Baradas. Baradas, 2 for 2. Bangan, zigzagging. 16 on the shot clock. Lives it to Villanueva. Villanueva at the free throw line. No good. Rebound by Baradas.
Hindi makashoot.
Baradas hands it up to Masongso. Looking for an open man. Gives it to Gonzalez. Low value. Gonzalez. Laksamana recovers the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Kulang jumper. Rebound by Villanueva.
Shoot naman!
69-57. 8 minutes and 15 seconds left.
69-57. Lamang mataas na lupa.
Baradas gives it to Gonzalez at the post. Spins. Peñalba. One more shot. Using the backboard. Good two by 10 points.
69-59. 10 na lang ang lamang ng mataas na lupa.
7 minutes and 45 seconds. Masungso. Gives it to Baradas. Pumping up. Creating some space. Baradas recovers the ball. For an easy to points.
Nag-ano to ba?
Out of bounds.
Back. Nag-comeback.
7 minutes and 23 seconds. Cross. Good. Another offensive rebound. Baradas leads. Drives at the baseline. Baradas too strong. Gonzalez. Put back is good.
Nice.
Man takes three. No good. 5 seconds. Gonzalez. Good location. Laksamana with an easy 2 points.
Mabul na eh.
Crossover move by Peñalba. Loses the basketball. Steal by Peñalba. Peñalba takes 3. No good. Bakan has it. Lock 2. Too strong. Who will get the rebound? Alphonse has it. Gives it to Baradas. Baradas. Pass to Masungso. Gonzalez gives it to Baradas. Alphonse takes. Hangs it here. Alphonse makes his first throw. Two for two for Pangan. And now Baradas the ball. Good. Exactly 6 minutes in our last and final quarter. Peñalba. Behind the back, great defense by Laksamana. 3 seconds violation for Gonzalez.
17 lamang na mataas na lupa.
Pass to Baradas. Joshua Baradas.
Apat na yun.
Steps back, pass, Pangan. 14 on the shot clock. Here comes Villanueva.
Napapuhan to si Madam.
Akala ko nag-shoot.
Shoot nga, pinatira, nakalima nga daw tira bago nakashoot.
Oh, 5.
This is first
Di
throw.
ba?
Eh, di nanood sila ni Brian din kanina.
Wala yung hilig manood. Yung laro si Jaro.
Nanalo naman.
Gives it to Baradas again.
Wala bang talo ko na?
Not this time around. Rebound by Pangan. Having the ball.
Ano ba kayo nantok?
Hesitates, sidestep move. Gives it to Pangan. 2 for 2. 80-61. 80-63 rather. 18 on the shot clock. Gonzalez. Masungso. Wasting away the time. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Looks it for Alphonse. Soft touch finish for 1.
Nantok na ako.
Ilang minutes na lang ba?
Ko alam.
16 on the shot clock.
Baka mga 4.
Takes 3.
Wow! Score!
So, 16 on the shot clock. Gives it to Gonzalez. In and out.
Pinulikat pa si Kuya.
Mama takes three. Mama Nina, 2-2. Injury time is the ball. Pass to Mazon. No look pass, paradas. Lapro again, Mazon pace. That's a fly, no goal. Paradas against the ball again. Draw the shot clock. And Brad sa baseline, Villanueva. No goal. Villanueva rebound, gives it to Jim. 3 against 2. Block by Ruiz.Ito Villanueva. He got pass, Bama takes 2. No good. 8-6.
Ganun.
18 on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. 10. Laksamana. 2-2 again. Peñalba. Good ball. Laman takes 3. Short. May pasok sa. Peñalba. 2-2.
Di yun.
16 on the shot clock. Villanueva with the steal. Lays it out. 0-2. Villanueva. 84-72. Here comes Ruiz. Passes to Gonzalez.
84-72.
Last 2 minutes.
Ano ba yan? Hindi pa tinira.
That's no pass. Here comes Alpos. 10 on the shot clock. Ruiz. Side step move from Peñalba.
Ano? Parang kalansa.
Running violation. Because Peñalba gives it to Paman. Paman. Gives it to. Steal by Ruiz.
Oh, foul.
Ruiz makes his first throw. Next game, a good press versus Villalobos Dos. Two for two points. Cortez, on the pass. Villanueva.
Ano nang score?
Exactly 1 minute.
1 minute na lang, 1 minute na lang.
88-76. Here comes the Ruiz. Mataas na lupa, wasting away the time. Baka na-finish the ball. Bulat sa mana. 10 seconds to shoot. Masuk sa score. Takes his time. This is the shot. Liban pa ipang liban. Asdu Peñalba. Silver shot coming from Peñalba. 88-78. Masuk sa.
88-78 daw. Lamang ang mataas na lupa.
Gives it to Alpos.
Foul.
Gives it to Masuk sa. Pass to Ruiz. 10 on the shot clock. Alpos. Rebound by Villanueva.
Panalo mataas na lupa.